This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, Combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, September 24th, 2018. This one here, got a call for a lady bought a house and the home inspector wanted a couple of things fixed on the boiler. So I'm going to go over there and check the boiler out, check the boilers out, fix the problems that she wants fixed. Check them out, make sure that they're clean, maybe do a combustion test on them. So I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. And a couple of boilers here we gotta check, first and second. First floor, they want that high vent changed. I got a blow valve on the supply and one on the return. So that's good, I could just drain a little bit down on the boiler and change that. That's cast iron baseboard upstairs on the first floor. Second floor. See the leak on the floor? She's gonna have to have that chimney fixed too. It's not good. I gotta change this relief valve. No, I got them on upstairs, but I don't think the tank's bad. I got them off right here. When I turn them on, they'll run because I got the thermostats turned up. So we'll drain a little bit. We'll change this high vent first. And then that relief valve. This one's got purge valves. I got supply and return shut-offs right here too. That one's gonna be a copper loop, I'm thinking. Yeah. That's a copper loop on the second floor. So I got both power off there. Power off there. It comes down and feeds the boiler. I'll shut the return off. And I'll shut the supply off. We're just draining down enough to change that. I got my hose, I'm going over into that drain over there. That should be enough. Just put a little pipe dope on there. Oh, there's still water there, see it? I gotta take some more out. They want to have a flood. I just put a little pipe dope on there. And I'll screw it right back in. I usually just put these on hand tight. That's all I need. I'll shut this off. I work on the other one. We'll change that relief valve. And then we'll refill them. Now when I refill this one, it's gonna bleed automatically. One supply and return will shut off for now. I'm gonna change this relief valve. I did find a piece of wood to hold that in there for now. She's gonna have to get that fixed. thing leaking. Hasn't even been running. So we know that valve's bad. Yeah.
Did the furnace on the first floor run, or you doing the second floor first?
I'm doing both. I got them off down here.
Oh, okay, because I don't feel any heat.
Well, no, I got them off. I'm working on them.
Okay, good.
Just gonna change that. Alright, I got the new relief valve with a nipple, some pipe dope. Get it rolling out of there. There it comes. Make sure that there's no water gonna flood you when it comes off. Put the new one on there. So we got them two pots changed out per home inspector. Alright, now when we fill this one, I did shut the supply off on that on the second floor too. When we turn the water on to this one, the first floor one, it should be able to bleed it right through here. Self-bleeding. And like I said, I got cast iron radiators upstairs, so I'm not too worried about that one. This one will have to purge the zones. Alright, so this one I'm not too concerned about, like I said, because it's a cast iron radiators upstairs, so if there's a little bit of air, it ain't gonna matter. This one here, we're gonna have to purge it. I'll show you how to do it. These two are off right here, so that's gonna be our purge valves. That one seems like it's open. It's kind of odd. It shouldn't be open. We'll have to pull this wire off of here to purge it right. See how it's going easy? That's no good. So we'll pull this wire off of here. What was wrong there? That don't seem right. I wonder why they have two zones on the second floor. A little odd. We'll take that off and give it a minute and see if something don't seem right there. She's a leaker. I could always put a cap on there with a plug to stop that. I have to. Alright, see now it's not. Now it's fetching up. So they must have power to it somehow. The thermostat upstairs is calling. Yeah, it's not hooked up to that power. Alright, so I could purge it now. See, that one's fetching up, that one's fetching up. Both of these are going to be on. And we'll do this one first. So this is off. It's going up through the apartment back and then out the hose. I got it going in over there into the pit, the floor. So the water's coming in here. It can't go back because this is off. It's going through the boiler, through the second floor apartment back, and out the hose. Here comes the air. Usually you could tell just by hanging onto the hose. You could tell right by here. This is what they call a purge station. You need a drain and a shut-off. And this is acting as a shut-off. I had to disconnect this power line to this one. This is second floor. Alright, that's sounding better there. We'll switch over to the other side and do the other one too. That's a bypass. That bypasses that. You only can do that when this hose is open. Because the city pressure's coming in, say 50 pounds. That reduces it down to 12. When you lift that up, it bypasses that 12 to give you more Gundy through the system. And we'll check them and make sure that they're clean, and we'll check the combustion on them, make sure they're all right. They don't look full of black soot or nothing. You just have to be careful you don't touch number 1 and 2 together, because that's a direct short to the transformer. 2 and 3 coming from the common. I'm gonna have to put a cap on this one too. I got some caps out of the truck. I also had oil here at one time. $813.50. Fuel oil storage. This first floor, we'll check it. We'll make sure it's clean in there, and then we'll run it. I got some tags. We'll do a combustion test on it too. I just want to make sure the burners are clean. Caps on all the valves I worked on. Oh yeah, she's nice and clean in there. The burners aren't dirty at all. Well, it should be fine. If the burners are dirty, you gotta clean them. Let's check second. I mean, these burners don't look Boilers look brand new. Yeah, that one's fine too. That one's nice and clean. Alright, we'll check the combustion on them. We'll run them. They were around 12 pounds, so we'll start this is the first floor one. We'll check this one first. Alright guys, we're putting this cover on. Made a big difference. It's made a big difference on it. My oxygen at 5.6. It should be between 4 and 9. Carbon monoxide 42, which is good. 41. And my CO2 is 8.7. Good right there. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna leave it right there. Print it right there. This particular unit, you got to run with a door on it. You're not gonna get the proper reading. Try. Cap back on. We'll see what this one's doing. It's a big difference with the door on it. This one seems to be running pretty good too. This one's right on the money. Hey guys, Value Testers is running a nice deal on a combustion analysis. Meters, Testo, and Bacharach. So go check them out over there if you need one. Link in the description below. Alright guys, so I put some caps on there. All the ones I worked on, I put some hose caps. So wood washers. This was the boiler drain that was leaking, remember? Put a hose cap on there. I always carry these in the truck. This is the first floor one. Pressure's good. We know the tank's good. This is the second floor one. Pressure's good. Well, on the 20's good. This one here, we got a relief valve we changed. She's only got one zone calling on the second floor. I'll have to tell her she's got 2 thermostats up there. First floor, we put the new high vent. Did a combustion test on it. Combustion test passed. High vent, combustion test. Second floor, new relief valve, combustion test.